Hey guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove password A3s Oppo mobile. You can see here password. I tried to remove but it is not working. So now you have to power up your mobile, click on power buttons and then swipe this icons and power it off it. Guys, if you like my videos then subscribe my channel and like share. So guys, now I am going to recovery power button and volume minus. You can click on volume minus and power buttons. You can see here, hold distance 15 seconds. You can see here recovery mode. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel, and you can see here leave the power button and hold volume minus button. You can see here don't leave volume down button, so do wait, it will work. And then I will show you how to do another steps. Click on English and you can see here web data. Click on web data and okay. So guys, you can see web data is clear, and now you have to click okay. After that you have to click on reboot. This mobile will reboot, and then you can see here password, it will restore or clearly. You can see here, if you like my videos then subscribe my channel and share this videos. Click on press icon for the latest video. If you have any problem search, you can get videos from this my channel. You can see here, do wait, it will work in 2 minutes. Wait. You can see here guys, it's completely clear. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel. So now I am going to next videos. If you are interested my channel, subscribe my channel, don't leave my channel. And so bye and take care.